Infinite. Now repeat after me. Infinite, infinite, infinite. Welcome to English Dictionary Infinity, where we help you perfect your pronunciation and expand your vocabulary one word at a time. Meaning. Infinite refers to something that has no limits, boundaries, or end. It describes things that go on forever, either in size, quantity, or time. It can be used to describe physical objects, concepts like space and time, or even abstract ideas like possibilities or potential. Think of it like this. Something infinite never stops, like the vastness of space or the endless possibilities in life. In a sentence, the universe is so vast it feels infinite when you look up at the stars. Here, infinite describes the limitless nature of the universe. Let's try another example, infinite patience when it comes to teaching young children. Now it's your turn. If you understand the word, comment below with your own sentence using infinite. Synonyms. Some related terms for infinite are endless, something that has no end or limit. Boundless, having no boundaries or limits. Antonyms. The opposite of infinite would be finite, something that has limits or a defined end. Limited, something restricted in size, quantity, or duration. Part of speech. Infinite is an adjective describing something that has no limits or boundaries. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to keep building your vocabulary with us at English Dictionary Infinity. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for more words and pronunciation tips. See you next time.